Let's face it, data analysis can feel overwhelming, especially when you're staring at rows and rows of numbers. Summarizing large data sets efficiently is one of the biggest challenges people face. Imagine you've got a list like this, hundreds or even thousands of transactions, and you need to find meaningful patterns. Trying to do that manually, that can take forever. What if I told you that there's an easier way? Excel pivot tables can take this complex data and transform it into clear, insightful summaries in just a few clicks.
To create a pivot table, your data needs to be organized. As you can see, we've got our data with proper headers, and this ensures that the pivot table can work efficiently. Click anywhere in the data and Excel will automatically select the range for you. Navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, and then select Pivot Table. Excel will ask you where you want to place it. Typically, you'll want to choose New Worksheet, so I'll choose that now and click OK. Now you'll notice there's a new tab, and on the right-hand side, this is where the magic happens. In the right-hand panel, you'll see your available fields. Let's drag Salesperson to the Rows section and the sales amount from January to the Values section. Excel will instantly summarize the data by salesperson. You'll notice the pivot table on the left automatically updates. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Watch this. By adding a field like region to the columns section, our pivot table now breaks down the sales by region and by salesperson. This was hidden in the raw data, but now it's clear as day. This is the value of pivot tables. Just as you would with any other Excel data, you can format the pivot table. We can even go further and select the date field to the filter section. Now we can see sales by salesperson per region, and we can filter by any date range we want. Notice how Excel instantly updates the totals for each region? This lets us spot trends. Want to take it a step further? Let's create a pivot chart to visualize these trends. Select Insert and then Pivot Chart. In the Pivot Chart dialog, you'll have a lot of options for the type of pivot chart you'd like to select. Let's select a bar chart. And voila, just like that, you've turned overwhelming data into valuable insights. Now imagine how much time this will save you each week. And let's take it even a step further. Now, anytime you update data by the filter or changing data in your actual data set, the pivot table data will reflect in the pivot chart.
If this tutorial helped you master pivot tables, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more time-saving Excel tips. Also, leave a comment below if there's a feature you want to learn next.